Experience spectacular spelunking in the multi-caves of Silop, Surigao City. The city of Surigao is located in the northeasternmost tip of Mindanao Island in the Philippines and the capital of the province of Surigao del Norte. It has a total land area of 245.34 kilometers and a population of over 140,000 people. It is one of the oldest port towns in Mindanao, founded by Spanish colonizers in 1655, and serves as a jump-off point to visitors of nearby Siargao, Dinagat, and Bukas Grande Islands. It is Mindanao's closest landmass to the Visayas region, with only 11 nautical miles separating the city from Panaon Island in the Visayas. Surigao is the center of politics, commerce, banking, industry, and education of Surigao del Norte and Dinagat Islands, as well as parts of neighboring provinces of Surigao del Sur, Agusan del Norte, and Southern Leyte. Like most of the country, Surigao is officially considered a tropical rainforest climate type with an average monthly precipitation of 308.66 millimeters or 12.5 inches. It is distinctly wettest between the months of November until March. During the drier season between April to September, brief afternoon showers and thunderstorms, locally called sobasco, are commonplace. Surigao City is marked by rolling hills that gently buffers its eastern and western boundaries. To the southwest towers the Kabangkaan Ridge, which divides the city from the municipality of San Francisco. Kinabutan River meanders Surigao Valley before it empties to the Surigao Tidal Basin, a shrinking mangrove swamp fast overtaken by the city's expansion. It has an average elevation of 19 meters or 65.5 feet above sea level. The highest elevation on the mainland at the Kabangkaan Ridge has a peak elevation of 465 meters above sea level. Silop is a massive system of caves situated 15 minutes away from the city. Adventurous spelunkers may explore the Silop Cave system, which is composed of 12 caves. Famous are the Guano Cave, the Basak Cave, the Male Organ Cave, and the Underwater Cave. The Guano Cave has a total length of 270 meters. The entrance is 9 meters high and 6 meters wide at an elevation of 68 meters above sea level. The main chamber has an average height of 10 meters and a width of 20 meters. Noted mostly in the ceiling of the main chamber are undisturbed stalactites which rarely exceeded a meter length. Stalagmites and columns are observed along the cave course that forms different rock formations. The cave is named after the abundant guano deposits, which are dropped by the bats who inhabit the surrounding elevated chambers. The larger Basak Cave has a total length of 320 meters with an entrance of 8 meters in height and 7 meters in width. The main chamber has an average height of 8 meters and width of 20 meters. Explorers will encounter stalagmites and columns along the cave course that forms different rock formations. The portal of the cave is situated in the middle of the mountain, facing south, with an elevation of 173 feet above sea level. The opening of the cave's portal is 1.5 meters high and 7 meters wide. Generally, the cave's main chamber runs a northeast course with a total floor length of about 84.95 meters. In the ceilings of the cave's chamber, you will find undistributed stalactites which that average about a meter length. One may also find stalagmites, columns, draperies, gore pools, rhinestones a few meters from the portal of the cave. The ceiling reaches to as high as 1.5 meters to 12 meters in the chamber, and width ranging from 6 meters to 22 meters. The portal of the underwater cave is at the foot of the mountain where the water falls following the passage of the cave exit. The opening of the cave's portal is 4 meters wide and 205 meters high. Generally, the cave's passage runs in a south-northwest course with a floor length of about 400 meters. A small chamber adjoins the main in the western part of the cave course, measuring 50 meters in length, going to the other exit of the cave. Noted mostly in the ceiling of the cave are the undistributed stalactites, which measured a half-meter length. Stalagmites and columns were also observed along the cave course with a very limited number. Floor-to-ceiling height reaches to as high as 2 to 12 meters in the chamber. As you navigate the passage of the cave, you will encounter water, which starts knee-deep to depths which could be hazardous to visitors, particularly during rainy season. Silop Cave is just 15 minutes away from the city proper. You may take a multicab or habal-habal to get there. The barangay center already has in place a system to assist spelunkers and cave guests, from registration and being outfitted with gloves, helmets, and headlamps. Bring companions. We recommend that you come as a group of 4 or 5. Wear the appropriate clothing and footwear. Don't wear cotton. Synthetic materials retain less water and dry more quickly. Wear several layers. Make sure the outer layer is abrasion resistant, so it doesn't tear against sharp rocks. Wear appropriate headgear. Knee and elbow pads are also a good idea, as you'll probably be spending some time crawling. Wear gloves too. And of course, wear the right kind of shoes. Being a tropical country, you can expect mosquitoes, which could be carriers of various diseases, so apply insect repellent as well. And lastly, make sure you've got lights and extra batteries, a first aid kit, food, and water. By air, you may take regular flights from Manila and Cebu via Cebu Pacific and Air Philippines. You may likewise take a boat from Cebu or Manila. Land trips are also possible, passing the neighboring municipalities and ferry boats from Leyte. For more information on Surigao, visit our website at www.surigaocity.gov.ph or call us at the numbers being flashed on the screen. See you soon!